Early this week, opposition leaders under the United Forces of Change umbrella, comprising of leaders from the opposition including NUP, FDC Katonga faction, UPC among other parties, announced a protest advocating for the rehabilitation of all roads and infrastructure in general by planting trees in potholes on roads across the city.
We are announcing to the nation that wherever there is a pothole in the roads that you are using, on Thursday the Forces of Change, together with all citizens of Uganda, let us do something.
At the start of business today, security forces consisting of police and the army surrounded the homes of leaders Robert Kyagulanyi, Erias Lukwago and Dr. Kiiza Besigye to prevent them from leaving their homes to participate in the protest that was planned to take place.
Why?
The opposition leaders, however, called this act cowardly and illegal.
This is illegal because if we're doing anything against the law, we would be detained. We are citizens like other people.
And I deserve an explanation as to why I shouldn't leave my home. Is it a prison?
The Lord Mayor of Kampala, Erias Lukwago, expressed his displeasure with the works expected to have been done by SFC, who took over duty concerning roads from KCCA. He mentioned the lack of value for money, citing the Africa Development Bank's threat to recall the road facility fund given to Uganda, hence their reason for demonstrating to avoid the unwanted.
The Africa Development Bank had threatened to recall the loan facility they gave us of $288 million because it has been abused. $288 million. There's no value for money. So they said come February, if no major interventions are made, they are going to recall it. So should we sit and wait for the facility to be recalled? No.
The opposition leaders called upon Ugandans to persist and go on with the protests and demonstrations in order to enable them achieve their desired call to action for the betterment of the country.
Please go ahead. The protest continues with or without we, the leaders. Don't focus. Do what you can do as a citizen.
There is a duty you have as Ugandans under Article 3 to rise to the occasion and take the bull by the horn.
Although the lead opposition heads were stopped from leaving their homes, the city saw a number of citizens and other party leaders take initiative to demonstrate and planted some plants on the roads, and these included National Unity Platform Secretary General David Lewis Lubongoya, Dr. Kiiza Besigye, who managed to step out of his premises, and Makindye East MP Nyeko Derek. By press time, police authorities from CPS had this to say.
Nga